noticed a lot of sales and a lot of changes that have happened here in terms of all the products that we've been using in our service department. It makes it a lot easier to explain to the customer visually what's going on underneath their car that most of the time they wouldn't understand. It makes it a lot easier to be able to sell them products that they didn't realize that they needed in the first place, and that way they can have a more efficient vehicle when they leave.
You know, it's great when the service customer pulls through the UVeye machine and they come into the service department. When they go to the service advisor's desk, we'll have that scan ready and available for them. We can review that scan with them. We may be able to detect something a little bit earlier than we normally would by just putting it up on the lift. This way we've got a little bit of a heads up for them as they do go and wait for us to validate, the car while it's up on the lift.